Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and here on this channel I do everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please consider to subscribe and let's stay connected.
When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
I am so happy to have you here with me today, and I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be a weekend routine clean with me, packed with tons of cleaning motivation and laundry motivation. We've had family members that came to visit, so after they left, I just like to go in the room, get the sheets out and wash them. And after that, you're going to see me head over in our bedroom and get our sheet that needs to be washed as well. And every time I have cleaning and laundry to do together, I always like to start with laundry because it doesn't require me to be there the whole time. So it's good to start with laundry and go back to cleaning, and by the time I'm done cleaning, I know for sure that my first load is done and ready to be folded. As you can see, the living room is a big mess. No matter how many times you clean, there will still be toys everywhere. That's how you know you have a toddler. So I'm gonna have that taken care of really quick. So what I like to do every time I need to clean or pick up toys and clothes everywhere, I just like to have two baskets, one for the toys and one for the clothes. That way it makes it so easy for me, so I'm not going back and forth, taking clothes to the room, coming back to get toys. So that's what I'm doing here. Take me to a different place. If you have toddlers and your house looks just like this, go ahead and put me on your big screen, suck in all the motivation you can get from this video, and let's get our houses cleaned together. But if you don't feel like cleaning right now, that's totally fine. Go ahead and save this video for later when you'll be ready.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel.
After I'm done vacuuming and wiping down my couch, I like to spray it with my fabric freshener just to keep it smell nice and fresh. Here I'm separating my fitted sheets from the rest of the sheets because every time I dry them together, they would just get stuck in the fitted sheet and never get dry. So to avoid that, I'm just gonna dry the fitted sheet separately. So this is the situation of my kitchen right now. And every time it gets like this, I don't even know where to start from. But it's been worse than this, so this is not me complaining. Let's just get it done.
Nothing's ever enough, even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah.
And I'm gonna start with clearing off this island countertop. And guys, the longest I can keep this island clear, free of clutter is 2 or max 3 days. Anything above that, yeah, this island just gets so clouded that you can hardly see the top of it. So speaking of that, I have a question for you guys. How long do you keep your kitchen island clear, free of clutter for? For me, it's 2 or 3 days, no longer than that. So let me know in the comment below, how long do you keep your kitchen island countertop free of clutter? This is what we're having for lunch, baked veggies. So good. So every time I'm filming, it's a busy day. This part of the video is supposed to be like a behind the scene, but I decided to include it in the video so you guys know, like, we have filming days, but you know, you still have to keep up with life, which means you cook, you do other stuff that are not included in the video you're filming. Yeah, if you're a creator, you know. Or I'm gonna speak for myself. These videos can take you a whole day to be filmed. If you're a creator, let me know in the comment below, how long does it take you to film one video? I would like to know.
take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted.
If you're trying to eat on the healthier side, this baked veggies, it's a really good recipe that you're gonna love. Here I have mixed all sort of veggies. I have red bell pepper, green bell peppers, but you know what, I'm just gonna try to leave the recipe down in the description below for those who would like to check it out. And for side, we had baked sweet potatoes, which I microwaved first for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then after that I wrapped it in a tin foil before baking it. If you do it that way, it will save you so much time. And if you're looking for a gift for your partner, these cups and mugs that my husband and I got for each other will be perfect for like birthday gift, Mother's Day, Father's Day, wedding anniversary, you name it. I love them. They can be used as a cup, just simple cup, or a mug, coffee mugs. We got them from Amazon, and I will leave the link down in the description below for those who will be interested.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
So I've got this Xoxo mop recently and I am so in love with it. I've always struggled finding the right mop to clean this marble floor we have. I've tried a few. Some of them were okay, some of them I like them, but so far this Xoxo mop, it's my favorite. The only thing I'm using here is just warm water and this mop. Nothing, I didn't add anything. It get the job done. Like no residue left on the floor, nothing. It was clean, shiny. I cannot believe it. And this thing, I only got it for like $9.99 or $10, something like that. I got it from Walmart. So if you have marble floor and you're struggling like I did before to get it clean without buffing it, this is what you need. So I got the mop separately. It doesn't come with the bucket. It's not even its bucket. There is one that like come with the bucket, but this one, it's only the mop that I got, and I just happened to have this bucket in the house. So yeah, if you're looking for something for your floor that works great, go for this.